In Microsoft Word, you can insert formulas into table cells to automatically calculate values, similar to Excel, but more limited. Here's how to use formulas in a Word table. Steps to insert a formula in a Word table. Click inside the cell where you want the result to appear. Go to the Layout tab, appears when your cursor is inside a table. In the Data group, click Formula. A formula dialog box will open. Word will suggest a formula, example equals sum, left. But, since in this example we have to calculate the price and quantity, we need to edit the formula from sum to product, then the left word inside the parenthesis will calculate all the figure found to the left. Next, we can change the format. Then click OK. The formula appear, we have to right-click it, then select Toggle Field Codes to show the total. In Microsoft Word table formula there is no copy and paste of formula like in Microsoft Excel, so we need to do it again, the process to the next row. Now, to calculate the sum of all total value, underneath the rows, the same process, but in the formula we use the equals sum open in close parenthesis, then inside we use above. Then click OK. So that's the way we use formula in Microsoft Word table. Thank you for watching.